Okay, in this video here, I'm gonna show how I close a trade after I'm happy with a certain amount of return. So we'll jump over here to the chart for SOFI. That it's been as low as $25 or $24 in the past week or so, and it's up about 30. The high's been about 32. We sold the cash secured put a while back. It is currently worth about $700. It's gone up 72% approximately. If I wait until the 12th, I will have earned the whole $971. However, what I'm going to do is close this early and then use the money for these 5 options to possibly sell a new put for around December 31st if SoFi drops in price by a dollar or two. So it's trading like at 30. So I'm gonna close that, and if it drops back down here 28 or below, I'll sell a new put. So I'm leaving $275 on the table, if you want to think of it that way. So I will buy to close, and we got 5. So limit price, I'm going to a 54 would give me a $700 profit. It costs 270 to close. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with that. And we'll place order. Click on activity and orders here. So it hasn't been filled yet. So let me look at something here. So it looks like the price has adjusted a little bit. So let's go back to 55 and we'll try to replace the order. Oh, so in the meantime, it must have been filled. So if I refresh, this would be, so I filled it at 54. So now let's go ahead and look at our option tracker here. And where was my SOFI here? So it was right here. So what did we close that for? 54. And we ended up with $705. Put today's date in there. So $705 over 8 days. Bought it for $1.95 per contract, 5 contracts right here. And so when you do all the math, 704. So then what I like to do, I like to sort by the day I close things. So I highlight a cell in this column and go to data, sort sheet, and then that goes up here. And these are all my open puts and calls I have currently. So that's how I close a put early. So now I'll watch SoFi in the next couple of days. And if it goes down to about 29 or 28, I'll sell a new cash secured put at about 27 or 26. It all depends on what the delta will be and what's happening in the news and all types of other good things. So preferably, I would have liked to seen it get up there just a little bit more, but like I said, I got a feeling it's going to take another little dip down here, and then I'll jump back in. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching.